This dance is called Bottoms Up. It's a 48 count, 4 wall, easy intermediate level line dance with 2 tags and 1 restart. Starting on the right foot with a syncopated vine to the right. So you're going to step the right to the side, cross the left behind, right to the side, cross the left over. Point the right out to the side, point the right across the left, point the right back out to the side again, and then go into a right-footed cross shuffle, cross, side, cross. That set of steps once more, winding to the right. Right foot leads. 7, 8. Side, behind, side, cross, point, 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 cross, shuffle. Another syncopated vine going to the left. You step the left to the side, right behind, left to the side, cross that right over. You're then going to make a quarter turn left as you step forward on that left. Step forward on the right, pivot yourself a quarter turn to the left. Step forward on the right, pivot yourself another quarter turn to the left. Now set of steps once more, then winding to the left, left foot leads. 7, 8. Side, behind, side, cross, turn, step, pivot, step, pivot. Now you are doing the equivalent of a 3/4 of a turn in that section. So you do that quarter turn at the end of the vine and then those 2 step pivot quarters all turning left. Should you need to try and adjust that, what you can actually do, vine the same as everybody else, side, behind, side, cross. Then instead of turning left, turn yourself a quarter right as you step back on the left, then just rock back on the right, recover, rock to the side on the right and recover. Takes out that 3/4 of turn from that section. So non-turning steps should you need to adjust the turn in that section. Let's add those 2 together. Vine into the right, right foot leads. 7, 8. Side, behind, side, cross, point, 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 cross, shuffle. Side, behind, side, cross, turn, step, pivot, step, pivot. Walk forward 2 steps, right, left, into a right-footed kick, ball, step. Kick, ball, stepping forward on the left. Rock forward on the right, recover your weight back on that left, shuffle back on that right, back, close back. That set of steps once more, then walking forward up on the right. 7, 8. Walk, walk, kick, ball, step, forward, rock, back, shuffle. Let's add that to the top. Vining off on the right. 7, 8. Side, behind, side, cross, point, 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 cross, shuffle. Side, behind, side, cross, turn, step, pivot, step, pivot. Walk, walk, kick, ball, step, forward, rock, back, shuffle. Rock back on the left, recover your weight on the right. Shuffle, half a turn over your right shoulder, quarter, close, quarter. Into a couple of side touches, so the right to the side, touch left beside right, left to the side, touch the right beside the left. Now set of steps once more, then back rock off on the left. 7, 8. Back, rock, half shuffle, side, touch, side, touch. Add that to the top. Vining up on the right. 7, 8. Side, behind, side, cross, point, 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 cross, shuffle. Side, behind, side, cross, turn, step, pivot, step, pivot. Walk, walk, kick, ball, step, forward, rock, back, shuffle. Back, rock, half shuffle, side, touch, side, touch. Kick, ball, cross, right foot leading. Kick, ball, cross, left over right. Step to the right, large step to the side, drag the left towards the right. Kick, ball, cross with the left, kick, ball, crossing the right over the left. Then step the left to the side, cross the right behind. That set of steps once more, then kick, ball off on the right. 7, 8. Kick, ball, cross, side, drag, kick, ball, cross, side, behind. Let's add that to the top. Winding off on the right. 7, 8. Side, behind, side, cross, point, 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 cross, shuffle. Side, behind, side, cross, turn, step, pivot, step, pivot. Walk, walk, kick, ball, step, forward, rock, back, shuffle. Back, rock, half shuffle, side, touch, kick, ball, cross, side, drag, kick, ball, cross, side, behind. Chassé to the left, but you're going for a quarter turn on the end, side, close, quarter turn. Step forward on the right, pivot yourself a quarter turn to the left, cross that right over the left. Into a hinge half turn, so quarter turn right, you step back on the left, quarter turn right, you step the right to the side, and then cross the left over the right. That set of steps once more then, chassé to the left with that quarter turn on the end. 7, 8, chassé, turn, step, pivot, cross, turn, turn, cross. End of the dance, when we get to that point, let's put it all together. Winding off on the right. 7, 8, side, behind, side, cross, point, 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 cross, shuffle. Side, behind, side, cross, turn, step, pivot, step, pivot. Walk, walk, kick, ball, step, forward, rock, back, shuffle. Back, rock, half shuffle, side, touch. Kick, ball, cross, side, drag, kick, ball, cross, side, behind. Chassé, turn, step, pivot, cross, turn, turn, cross. That's your dance. I'll now go through it with the counts. Winding off on the right. 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So hopefully that gives you a bit of feel for the timing of the dance. Now it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Winding up on the right. 7, 8. Side, behind, side, cross, point, 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 cross, shuffle. Side, behind, side, cross, turn, step, pivot, pivot. Walk, walk, kick, ball, step, forward, rock, back, shuffle. Back, rock, half shuffle, side, touch, kick, ball, cross, side, drag, kick, ball, cross, side, behind. Chassé, turn, step, pivot, cross, turn, turn, cross. Side, behind, side, cross, point, 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 cross, shuffle. Side, behind, side, cross, turn, step, pivot, pivot. Walk, walk, kick, ball, step, forward, rock, back, shuffle. Back, rock, half shuffle, side, touch. Kick, ball, cross, side, drag, kick, ball, cross, side, behind. Chassé, turn, step, pivot, cross, turn, turn, cross. Side, behind, side, cross, point, 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 cross, shuffle. Side, behind, side, cross, turn, step, pivot. Walk, walk, kick, ball, step, forward, rock, back, shuffle. Back, rock, half shuffle, side, touch. Kick, ball, cross, side, drag, kick, ball, cross, side, behind. Chassé, turn, step, pivot, cross, turn, turn, cross. So that is your dance. Now there is 2 tags and 1 restart in this dance. Your tags are different, but they come at the ends of walls 1 and 2, so you get them over and done with right at the very beginning. So your tag at the end of wall 1, quite simply, is a rocking chair. So you will have finished wall 1, you'll be facing 3 o'clock with that cross position. You basically do your rocking chair facing 10:30, rocking chair, and restart the dance. At the end of wall 2, you'll be facing the back wall. So this tag is slightly longer. So you're going to start with the rocking chair, the same as what you did with tag 1, and then you're going to add on a modified figure of 8, so half figure of 8. So you're going to step the right to the side, cross the left behind, make quarter of a turn to the right as you step that right forward. Step forward on the left, pivot your half a turn to the right, so you're now facing 3 o'clock, and a further quarter of a turn to the right, so you're back facing the back wall. Now instead of going behind side, at this point, you're going to do a cross back rock recover. So that's kind of the modification in it. So I'm just going to do that second tag once more. So rocking chair facing the diagonal, then square yourself up to the back wall to do that half figure of 8. Off on that right, 7, 8, rocking chair, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, turn, back, rock. Now obviously with that half figure of 8, it is the equivalent of doing a full turn. Should you need to try and adjust that, what you can actually do for this tag, do your rocking chair, same as everyone else, and then do side, behind, side, do not turn at that point, then do a cross rock instead of your step pivot half, then just step to the side again instead of that final quarter turn, and then add on that cross back rock. So non-turning steps should you need to try and take that full turn equivalent out of that tag. So like I said, you have got the short tag, rocking chair at the end of wall 1, and then your longer tag, rocking chair in that half figure 8 at the end of wall 2. So let's just do walls 1 and 2 and restart so you can see how they fit in. Lining off on the right. 7, 8, side, behind, side, cross, point, 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 cross, shuffle. Side, behind, side, cross, turn, step, pivot, step, pivot. Walk, walk, kick, ball, step, forward, rock, back, shuffle, back, rock, half shuffle, side, touch, kick, ball, cross, side, drag, kick, ball, cross, side, behind, chassé, turn, step, pivot, cross, turn, turn, cross. Here's your tag, rocking chair. Restart, side, behind, side, cross, point, 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 cross, shuffle. Side, behind, side, cross, turn, step, pivot, walk, walk, kick, ball, step, forward, rock, back, shuffle, back, rock, half shuffle, side, touch, kick, ball, cross, side, drag, kick, ball, cross, side, behind, chassé, turn, step, pivot, cross, turn, turn, cross, long tag, rocking chair, figure 8, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, turn, back, rock, side, behind, side, cross, point, 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 cross, shuffle, starts the dance all over again. So those are your 2 tags. You then go all the way around, you get to wall 6. Wall 6 will be your 3 o'clock, your 9 o'clock wall. So this is where your restart comes in. So your restart comes 32 counts into the wall. So after you've done your side touches, do not go into your kick, ball, cross section. So let's just take you up to 32 counts, wall 6, and restart. Lining off on the right. 7, 8, side, behind, side, cross, point, 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 cross, shuffle. Side, rock, half shuffle, side touch, restart, side, behind, side, cross, side, point, 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 cross, shuffle. So hopefully you can see how that fits in. 32 counts into wall 6. So that is it. That is your dance, your walkthrough, your tag and your restart information. End of 1, end of 2 for your 2 tags, short one and the long one, and then 32 counts into wall 6 for your restart. Let's give it a go to their music. 5, 6, 7, 8, side behind, side cross, point, 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 cross shuffle, side behind, side cross, turn, step, here we walk, kick, we'll step, pull the rock, back shuffle, back, rock, half shuffle, side touches, it's your tag wall, kick the cross, side drag, kick the cross, side behind, chasse, turn, step, here we cross, turn, cross, tag, rocking chair. Side behind, side cross, point, cross shuffle, side behind, side cross, turn, step, here we walk, kick, we'll step, pull the rock, back shuffle, back rock, half shuffle, side touch, next tag wall, kick for cross, side drag, kick for cross, side behind, chasse, turn, step, here we cross, turn, cross, tag, rocking chair, figure of 8. Back, rock, side behind, side cross, point, cross shuffle, side behind, side cross, turn, step, here we walk, kick, or step, forward, rock, back shuffle, back, rock, half shuffle, side touch, kick, or cross, side drag, kick, or cross, side behind, chasse, turn, step, here we cross, turn, cross, side behind, side cross, point, cross shuffle, side behind, side cross, turn, step, here we walk, kick, or step, forward rock, back shuffle, back rock, half shuffle, side touch, kick for cross, side drag, kick for cross, side behind, chasse, turn, step, here we cross, turn, cross, bind, forward walk, back rock, kick for cross, chasse, vine, restart wall, vine, walks, back rock, restart, side behind, side cross, vine, walks, back rock, kick ball, chasse, vine, walk, back rock, kick ball, chasse, hope you managed that one.